So one of the things I realized recently is there's a better way to grab the pixel color values than what I've been doing in the past. The example code that I have up here is something that reads an image and sort of samples it, and then draws a rectangle, or in this case a square, where that is, so you can kind of create a pixelized image. The way that it works is by using the pixels array. So just to go through this code again, I have a previous video that shows this in more length, but just loading, declaring this p image variable. We're using this pixel array like index that I've labeled loc or location, and we have the cell size variable that's controlling how big these squares are. The setup has the width and the height, the image that's being loaded here. Color mode is there, but that should be the default. These things I think aren't that important. There's just no stroke there. And so what happens is we're going to use two for loops to go through this image. Now this is a two-dimensional image, and in the past what you have to do is create this or access the pixel array, which is a one-dimensional array. So each of these pixels or units, actually would be pixels, has an index number assigned to it, and it's a one-dimensional array. So we would have to do this little calculation to translate the x and y positions into that index. And then basically what we're doing, the thing to look at is this right here, and then we'll access the pixels array and then grab the color information at that item in the array. So that is, a few steps, but I wanted to show a better way to do it. You can actually use this code right here, which I'll turn on, and I'll maybe turn this code off and explain what's going on here. Actually, you don't even need to do this calculation to convert the two-dimensional image into a one-dimensional pixel array. Just use this function. It's going to reference that two-dimensional image with these two-dimensional coordinates. So we don't even need this code to create an index for that pixel array. And you'll just say image and then run this function on it. Pretty straightforward. I commented the other bits out so that this result will still be the same, but you can see that it's simpler, and hopefully that frees you up and maybe makes your code a little bit less complex, and you can focus on other things. So hope that helped you maybe learn something new. I know this is something that I picked up recently, so if it helps, let me know, and I look forward to seeing what you do with it.